swimming in the underground cave. It's so beautiful under.
Salubong.
I want with mommy.
Mahal dyan. Wow! Escape Bolanao Lighthouse.
Hello guys, today we're going to the Cape Bolinao Lighthouse.
Cellphone mo?
Cellphone ko ba?
Oo. Ayan.
Look how beautiful this lighthouse is. I can't wait to go inside. Wait, are we allowed to go inside? The sea, the beautiful sea.
This is the lighthouse, Bolinao Lighthouse. Ito naman yung ruins nila. Ate Elise, where are you? Elise? The view of the sea. Look, Tyler, this is the ruins.
Go.
Hug me, mommy. Not already ruined. It's called ruins.
Yes.
Ikaw ano ito, ano?
Lumang ano na.
Pwede pang ano yun.
Parang sa Ilocos, ganito na rin.
Kahit pag pinayos ito, ang ganda nito. Pag gawin na lang nila souvenir shop, ano?
Parang ginawa ng ruins talaga. The lighthouse.
Did they made this or this is something before?
Before, the old story.
This. What? Why is it broken, mommy?
Because it's ruined, that's why it's called ruined. Ate, do you want to take picture there?
Send it.
Picture lang kami. Tamang picture.
Dito tayo next time.
Here in Enchanted Cave, it's already 9 o'clock in the morning. Kami lang tatlo ni Ate Elise and Daddy.
I can't wait to swim now.
Yeah, doon muna tayo sa Enchanted Cave.
Good morning po, welcome po sa Enchanted Cave. Kailangan ko na lang po muna yung yung mga wristband po, pasawat na lang din po
Okay.
muna bago po pumasok. May sticker po yan sa likod lang po ng white part. Tatanggalin nyo lang po.
Nakaligo ba ito? Tama ligo?
Oo.
300?
Oo. 300 ang entrance with ligo sa
Tatlo po sila, ma'am.
cave.
3 packs po.
Same price with Elise. 5 years old below lang daw yung walang bayad. Are you excited?
Yes.
The cave.
I didn't know there's people living here.
Thank you. Coral rocks. Nice. The cave. Saan yung CR? Sinuot na namin yung life vest. Helmet. For the safety. Dito.
Ah, dito?
This enchanted cave. Look. Wow.
Wow, tulis look.
Ang lamig siguro.
Hindi kasama kang dalawa.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
Grabe.
Takot ako. Wala ako sa lamin. Di ko kita. Yung bag natin. Diyan na lang sa gilid. No?
Sakto tayo na ulit tayo mamaya pagbalik.
Kaya,
Pag-picture.
ano daw?
Pwedeng gamitin? Okay lang.
Aqua shoes lang.
Ay, ako siya.
Elise, slippers mo.
Bali, may oras na po tayo, sir, ha?
Gaano po katagal ulit?
Bali, ang next, ano po natin, is 30 minutes lang.
30 minutes.
Okay.
30 minutes, tagal na yun.
Alam.
It's so beautiful under. Yeah. It's so beautiful under.
May lang. Dali.
Wait lang. Hawak mo.
Can I put you under? Can I put this under?
Yes.
Can I put this under, Mama? Okay.
You're not listening to me.
3, 2, 1. Mommy, I'm gonna put this under, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Diba beautiful?
Ganda, no? Oo. May malalim pa dun eh. Wala.
Bato lang.
It's so beautiful under the bar. I can't wait to see it in the camera.
You look at the...
Okay, wait. Wait. Swimming in the underground cave. Daddy, look at me. Look at me, Daddy.
Ate.
Hindi pa kayo nakunit. One, three, go. Hindi ka lumutang talaga, dapat dun ka na lang sa may pake.
Ate, dito nga tayo, ate. Picture tayo. Let's take a video.
Gusto yung tanong yun. Amay ka lang.
Takot. Lalim. Lalim. Nakuha ng camera.
Nakuha?
Hindi pwede pang dayo?
Lalim.
Parang may nakaabang na ano.
Parang ilalabas.
Oo nga.
Oh, nangihila siya. Kita sa camera.
Napupunahan ka na nga.
I'm a jellyfish, mommy. Daddy, look, I'm a jellyfish.
Tama, 5 minutes lang.
Ganon, dalawang kamay. Yeah, sabi. Sabi eh.
This is the Enchanted Cave. Ay! Bagal ko. Oh. Takot ako sa heights. Ano ba? Sa heights ako natatakot. Parang tirik na tirik. Ito ang loob. Dito. Malaki pala siya, no? Pwede pala siyang maghapon sa activity. Tapos parang pag gusto mo ulit sa cave, pipila ka ulit. No? Look at the stones.
Those are beautiful corals. They got dry, right?
Yes, because it's it's
They are
outside.
colorful when
Outside
they
Enchanted
are.
Cave.
Buti na tayo. 1 hour daw yung pila eh.
Saka naghihintay ka pa sa tuwan.
Maganda ka sana nag-radyo sila. Pag may lalabas na, no?
Ito po, maraming salamat. Mabuhay.
Swimming pool pala to. Gusto maligo. Lalim yan. Siguro sa mga Hi, ate. Ay, bawal daw tumalon. Hi, bawal daw tumalon. Mababaw lang. Oh, ay, ito na pala yung parking. Grabe, ang ganda dito yung bato, no, mahal? Ang ganda dito yung bato. Hindi na natin pinuntahan eh. Puntahan natin? Ay, grabe. Nakapagod. Akyat baba kami. Oh. Ito yung garden. Look at this. Pangit, pangit.
Ihawan eh. Ihawan.
Ponsan.
Granted.
Cave na yan. Gusto mo ito sa wishing well ng picture? No.
Lama.
Wala na.
Yung giant, ano? Nasaan?
Giant.
Saan ba yung giant mo? Ay, dyan. May pangalawang minute. Kaya na dyan ako. Kaya para siguro yan.
Way to the cross. Ayun yata yung cross lang eh.
Doon.
Ha?
Ang shell.
Okay.
Ayun.
Ito yata yung may extra bayad eh. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man comes to the Father but through me. Saan? Jesus said, I am the vine, you are the branches. If a man remains in me and I am in him, he will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing.
So this place is also flooded.
Ito. Giant.
So that means it came from the ocean.
Extra bayad, man.
Ano?
Extra yan.